So my Mark 1, I've got this light bar, which I think I'm going to stick on the Rally Mini. I'm going to take this off because I want to go for a slightly different look on this car anyway. The only issue is this is all bolted on, and when you go rallying, what your light system needs to be quick release. You need to be able to unbolt it and bolt it on very, very quickly, because you don't want to be running your lights when you don't need them during the day, because if you hit a hay bale or a pallet, and these things do happen, you don't want to smash your spotlights, because when you come to the stage you won't have any lights. So the idea is you don't run them until you really need them. You come into service and you say to your service crew, right, yep, definitely need lights now, and they'll go wham, stick the light bar on, plug the electrics in, test it to make sure it goes, brilliant, then out on stage again. No. So yeah, whatever system I use, this needs to be quick release. And the same thing with the electrical connection. So the old 60s Rally Minis had a big rubber plug that went in there, and they're awesome, but my goodness are they expensive. If you want a period one, they're ridiculously expensive, and they were just the old tow electrical connectors from Land Rovers. So I could use like a more modern, was it 7-pin trailer thing, but I think that just looked rubbish. I know I shouldn't be worried about looks, but I just think it would look rubbish. So I found on eBay this, which is a military thing. Nipan, whatever, but it's made in England, and it's 4-pin, so that's great. So that's more than I need, and the idea is it's going to go there, so then you can bolt on the front lights, plug in the electrics, and away you go. That's the plan anyway.
3, 2, 1, go. Turn 2 left. We'll turn 2 left, tightens to 9 left. 2 left, tightens to 9 left. It's really tight. That's it.
Certainly not quick release now. It obviously seemed like a good idea at the time. Can you hear the chickens? Anyone would think we're at William Murphy's house. Of course, all these brackets were made for a glass fibre front end. I'm bound to have to redo it, but we'll see. Bump on it really, don't I?
Street bus stop. Getting L1. Alright.
Yep.
Look at this. One left.